What's up guys, Prism Fishing here, back with another video. I know it's been so long since I've uploaded a video, but I've been really busy with school. But swim season's now over, you know, just like last winter. And we're here at the golf course for spring break. We got some non-frozen water here, so we're gonna take advantage of that the next 2 days here. But of course, since I was gonna try to fish tomorrow also, but you know, I just kind of jumped on the opportunity today, I only have a jig rod. So yeah, we'll see how it goes today. I got a little search bait tied on, a little tiny paddle tail, and yeah, we'll see if we can get some fish hooked up. It's pretty windy, but hopefully the audio doesn't mess up too bad. So let's get started. Ah, yes, the wind. You know what? Let's go on the other side so I'm not casting into the wind. All right, here we go. I haven't used this combo in forever, so I might get a couple backlashes here. I also haven't used fluoro in forever. I'm mostly used braids, so might not turn out the best, but hey, gotta make do with what we got. Oh my God, first cast and I got a bite. That was insane. Insane. All right, well, there's fish here, guys, and they are biting today. So we'll see what we can do here. Oh, gosh darn it. Missed him again. I think because this is such a long bait, they're just nabbing at the tail. That's the only problem with this bait, is there's so much real estate back here behind the hook. Makes it really hard to get a hookup ratio unless they really swallow it. I'm also trying to let them eat it for an extra second, so maybe they can choke up on it a little bit more. Oh, he's on. Got him. Yes, let's go. First fish of the year, guys. Check him out. Yes, perfect hook set right in the top. Waiting that extra second turned out to work pretty good. Look at that, first fish of the year. Thanks, dude. There we go. First fish on the search bait. Pretty darn sick. We still got it, guys. It's been forever since I uploaded a video, but looks like I still got my moves. Trying to catch some fish. There we go. Number 2, back to back. Yeah. There we go. Yes. Sick. There we go. Fish number 2. Thanks, dude. There we go. Tiny 360 GT search bait, I believe it's called. Putting in the work. Nice. 2 fish back to back. Giving them that extra second really does help, because I think initially they're biting the tail. You wait a second, reel up slack, set the hook, so they can really, you know, get a second bite at it and inhale it. I'm actually surprised that there's not too many golfers here right now. I mean, this is like the first 50-degree day in quite a long time. So there's only like one other car here and they're already almost done. All right, guys, we completely moved spots here. We're at a river now. Drove around for about like 30 minutes. A couple parks were closed still and all that stuff. I mean, it is still technically winter, but we're gonna see. Maybe we can pick up a smallmouth. I've caught a couple pike in here. So we'll see what we can do here. So I've learned how to pitch really good. Oh, I think I just missed one there. I've been practicing in my backyard actually doing cornhole, but instead of using the bags, using a jig. It's actually a really good practice too, especially if we're trying to get it exactly in the hole. Great way to improve your pitching skills. Ooh, that was a beautiful one. Barely made a splash. It's nice to just get out and try to fish. Oh, that one was really good. just slid right up under that log. We'll give the jig a couple more casts and then we'll use the search bait. Right under that tree, perfect. That's where I wanted it. All right guys, day 2 and the weather has completely changed. Luckily, it rained last night, so a lot of places are now unfrozen. That's why I'm on this bridge, but it is now 40 degrees. It dropped 20 degrees from yesterday, so changing up tactics a little bit. This is my very first time throwing an A rig or Alabama rig, umbrella rig. It's got a ton of different names, but yeah. The whole point of this is to act like a school of bait fish. It's a bit mismatched right now because I couldn't find 5 of the exact same paddle tail, but we're gonna throw this around a little bit, see if we can try to entice a bite. So because the weather is so nasty, there's no one here again, so we have the whole place. If we don't catch fish back here, we'll move down that way. And then if we don't catch anything there, we'll move up to the front ponds, try to get fish there. And then if all else fails, we'll move back to the skinny pond where we were yesterday. See if we can get some. I really want to catch a fish on this umbrella rig. That would be sick. All right, well, I'm not too confident I'll be able to catch this guy around. This is what I decided to go with just because it looked the best that I had. It's a little Googan Baits Rattling Ned in blue penny color with a little underspin there. It will be quite a challenge to cast this thing, especially accurately for how light it is and for how windy it is outside today. But I think if I can just get it remotely where I want, I think this thing should absolutely slay. So we're gonna give it a try to catch some fish, and hopefully we do, or else, you know, this whole mission would be a big bust. So let's get there, let's catch some fish. All right, here we go. First attempt at casting. Yes, yes, it works. Okay, perfect. So we should be able to pick up a fish here, at least one, with this little underspin and Rattling Ned. This should be pretty awesome. Oh, just missed one. Just missed one. Oh, one just swiped at it. Come on. Take it back. All right, cool. So we're getting a couple bites here, so it's looking better than the other spots, but you know, knock on wood. Oh, there we go. We're on. That was quick. Right as it hit the water. Yes, we did it, guys. Mission successful. It just took a little lure change to do it, and spot change. There we go. Check that out. First bass of the day on our little underspin Rattling Ned. That's awesome. Thanks, dude. Back he goes. Awesome. All right, cool. So we are able to catch fish. That's exciting. Let's get back to it. Try to catch one again. Try to catch another one. Ooh, perfect. Right in front of the drain. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was crazy. All right. Fish number 2. Check that guy out. Thanks, dude. Yes. Perfect. We're on a pattern, guys. It's the Rattling Ned, blue penny color with that underspin. We are finally catching some fish now at a pretty good pace. They're only about 2 casts apart from each other, but I mean, we did only catch 2 fish yesterday too, and then completely died on us. So we'll see if we can pick up more than 2 here. So although it's not sunny, that underspin is putting off a lot of vibration, especially when I'm jigging it up like this. That's calling in those fish. I mean, you can use bladed baits even on cloudy days like today where there's barely any sun, but using that vibration really calls in the fish. Man, now I'm starting to backlash every cast. That wind is really picking up. taking my bait off to places I don't want it. It's also really hard to keep control of my bait with the line keep getting blown around by the wind. Oh, there we go. Kind of a nasty hook set, but hey, I will take it. There we go, fish number 3. Thanks, dude. So we're already doing better than yesterday. I've got 3 fish, so that's exciting. Oh, there we go, there's another one. Ooh, that's got a better size to him. There we go. Look at this nasty sponge grass. Get out of here. There we go, fish number 4. Thanks, dude. Awesome. All right. We are definitely catching fish. Not complaining anymore. Oh, yes. That was awesome. I felt him. I thought I'd give him an extra second, and look, that ended up paying off. He ended up eating the whole darn thing. Yes. Let's go. There we go. Fish number 5. Thanks, dude. Awesome. Oh, darn, I just ripped it. We just rip it off there. And then just use this half. Make it a little bit more finesse presentation. There we go. Now we're basically fishing with a brand new bait. Check that out. Let's see what we can do with that now. With about a 1/2 inch cut off. See if we can get one of those crappie to bite. Oh, just missed one there. Oh, he came back. Oh, holy shit. That was a bit aggressive. Definitely scared the crap out of him, so I don't think he'll be coming back. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you on the next one.